Hello, kids! Let's learn numbers with spelling. Repeat after me. 1. O-N-E 2. T-W-O 3. T-H-R-E-E 4. F-O-U-R 5. F-I-V-E 6. S-I-X 7. S-E-V-E-N 8. E-I-G-H-T 9. N-I-N-E 10. T-E-N 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Great job, kids! Keep learning and have fun. Bye-bye!